My friend studied for days before the exam, stayed up late, highlighted every single word in the book. He was convinced he was ready for anything. The result? Shocked, confused, his marks were barely average. He turned to me, eyes wide with disbelief, and asked, "Bro, how did you manage to score higher than me? You were playing games half the time." I smiled and replied, "I use flashcards." But hold on, not the boring, lifeless ones where you just read and flip. That's not using flashcards. That's just passive reading. Let me show you the real trick. Flashcards are supposed to engage your brain. When you look at a question, don't flip it right away. Force yourself to recall the answer. Say it aloud. Think it through. Write it down, anything that helps you remember. Just don't cheat. Really make your brain work for it. Once you've given it your best shot, then flip the card and check. If you were wrong, perfect. That's how learning feels. Now repeat that card more often. This technique is called spaced repetition, and it's the secret of high scores. Want an example? Front side. What is Newton's third law? Try answering it in your head. Then flip it over. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Boom! Now you've learned it for real. He tried my method in the next test. Guess what happened? His jaw dropped again. But this time, it was from seeing an A+ next to his name. Here's how I make my flashcards. I keep it simple. One question, one clear answer. I use paper cards or apps like Anki. Whatever works for you. If you ever feel to give up, watch the video on this channel or by clicking on the link in the description.